He be Christ first though.
Hi guys, I'm here to share exciting news with you. Are you looking for tips on how to end the year on a good note? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Pay close attention. On the 27th of December 2025, Parousia will be hosting a powerful musical concert. Yes, you've been to Christ First before, but this is not like the one you've been to before. Because this one, you are not just coming to sing and dance. Don't just come with your dancing shoes. Come with your expectations, because you know what? There will be divine encounters and there will be divine breakthroughs. Don't miss it. See you there.
Joy and gain, Christ First proof in a proof, we no go stop. Praises rise, holy vibes they talk. Parousia family, we they unite. For the name of Jesus, we go light. Oh, see the power. Oh, feel in the shower. Oh, heart they connect. Christ First fire, no feel neglect. Children they vibe out, that's the jam. From small picking to every